Fractions appear in everyday life more than we realize. When you cut a cake into equal parts, measure ingredients, share money, or read for half an hour, you are using fractions. In this lesson, you'll learn what fractions mean and how to understand them easily. Fractions may look confusing, but they simply show parts of a whole, like slices taken from a full pizza. Every fraction has two parts. The top number, called the numerator, shows how many parts we have. The bottom number, called the denominator, shows how many equal parts the whole is divided into. For example, if a shape is divided into 4 equal parts and 2 are shaded, that is written as 2/4. Now look at these shapes. Each one is divided into 6 equal parts. One shaded part is 1/6. 2 shaded parts are 2/6. As more parts are shaded, the fraction increases, 3/6, 4/6, and 5/6. When all 6 parts are shaded, we have 6/6, which equals 1 whole. Fractions show how many equal parts of a whole are shaded or used. When a whole is divided into 2 equal parts, each part is 1/2. Dividing it into 3 equal parts gives 1/3. Into 4 parts gives 1/4. The more parts we divide the whole into, the smaller each part becomes. This leads to an important idea: when the bottom number gets bigger, each piece gets smaller. That is why 1/2 is bigger than 1/3, and 1/3 is bigger than 1/4. Once you understand this, fractions start to make sense. Fractions describe equal parts of one whole. The bottom number tells us how many equal parts the whole is divided into, and the top number tells us how many parts we are talking about. When a whole is divided into more parts, each part becomes smaller. Once you understand this idea, fractions stop being confusing and start making sense. Now it's your turn. Look at each shape and ask yourself 2 questions. How many equal parts is the whole divided into? And how many parts are shaded? The first one is done for you. Pause the video and work out the fractions for the remaining shapes. Thank you.